Yeah, good morning everyone and welcome to my channel again. I want to thank those of you who have watched some of my videos and you have done the right thing by subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. This will encourage me to make more videos. Today, I want to briefly share with you what a friend of mine did at the back of his house. You know what he did? God has given him the opportunity to have a small building, and at the back of the building, because he only used half of the just a plot of land. He only used half of the plot of the land to put up the building, just three room bedroom flat, and the remaining half of the plot, he now decided to use that one for farming. You can see at the back of his house now. He put up the farming at the back of his house. We call it backyard farming, in which you use the remaining space, no matter how small the space at the back of your house, that can be used for something tangible that will bring food to your table. That can be used for something that will bring food to your mouth. Instead of you wasting the land, clearing the land or the plot, the remaining land every time during the rainy season, why can't you come out and try to cultivate the remaining half of the plot and put something there, plant something? Here, my friend planted maize. You can see maize very well, start looking very good. This maize now, in the next 3 or 2 weeks now, they'll be ripe for harvesting, and everybody will be smiling. Maize is very good. Maize is a good food on our table. He did not only plant maize, he also planted a vegetable. You can see vegetable here. These vegetables are very plenty. 100 people cannot finish all these vegetables if they want to eat at a time, because the vegetables are doing well. He also planted cassava. You can see cassava now. We use this cassava for gari. Some use it for fufu. And not only that, you can see tomato section now. This is where he planted tomatoes. All these tomatoes, he has been harvesting these tomatoes several times. And up to now, the tomatoes are still doing well. See tomato very well. And even when it comes to vegetable, there are 3 types of vegetables here. This one is, we call it soko. I don't know the name they call it in English, but we call it in Yoruba here, we call it soko. And we also have a tete here, and this tete. You see, tete. For those who have interest in eating this tete, you are free to eat that. And also here we have a gbagba. And that is why you are looking at the front. In the front there, for Gbagba. And also he planted a ewedu here. You can see the ewedu here. All this ewedu, they are coming up very well. In fact, he has harvested this ewedu several times. He even bought some to my house. He gave my wife. And so we have been eating this ewedu for several weeks now. We have not tired of eating this ewedu. It's unfortunate that at the back of my own house, there is no space like this. But thank God for my friend. He did well by planting all these things at the back of his house. And this is what you can use, that will be bringing food to your table. You don't need to go to market and begin to buy maize, buy all this wedu for. And these are the fresh maize. And if you harvest this maize and you eat it, you can't compare the sweetness of this maize to that of the maize you will buy in the market, because there are some chemicals mixed with the soil before they are able to bring out all this maize. But for this one, it didn't have any fertilizer, it didn't have anything. It was just natural nutrient from the ground. So definitely the maize will be somehow sweeter than the normal one we used to buy in the market. Even when it comes to ewedu, the ewedu that you use a fertilizer to plant can never be compared with the one that you use a natural soil nutrients, because that one will draw well. You will enjoy yourself if you eat ewedu amala gbegiri. And so I want to encourage all of you who are watching my video. If you have a small plot of land at the back of your house, this is something good you can embark on, you can do. It will help you a lot and it will make you smile. Not only you alone, every member of the family will keep on thanking you because of these wonderful things you have done. So please, if you have any questions to ask me on this, I will not hesitate to respond to your questions. Just ask, go to the comment section and tell me that you want me to answer certain questions. And if you want me to make a video on anything that has to do with agriculture, it will be my joy to respond to your question. Thank you very much. Once again, remember to subscribe to this channel, and that will encourage me to be making another video for you from time to time. I want to appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye for now.